Hello, welcome to my channel. Today I'll be teaching you and showing you how you can make money uploading your pictures and your painting online. You're an artist and you are wondering where you can showcase your talent and get paid. This website is a very good avenue for you. Okay, so the website is shutterstock.com, and before I proceed I need to state clear. This is a platform whereby you make passive income. It might not be as much as it ought to be from the beginning, but I can assure you, if you are consistent with it and you upload pictures that are very good, that the qualities are very good, you are going to make money out of it. You see, this website, shutterstock.com, has paid more than $350 million to people just uploading their pictures, just taking footage of about 2-3 minutes, and they are getting paid week in, week out. They are getting paid. So you too can be one of them. Don't just take pictures, show it on your social media. You can make income out of those pictures that you are taking. So let's get started. After you have arrived at the website, you want to get signed up for them to have your details. So you click on get started. So it brings you to this page where you put in your details. Okay, so once you are done with that, this is the page it's going to show you. Thanks. Please check your email to verify your account. So to start with, you need to verify your account. This is the mail that's been sent to my email. Click on your email. So you click on verify email. Verify your email. Then another tab opens up for you. Thanks, your email has been verified. So you click on next. Okay, so this page is where you type in your details. You want to come here and select your country. I will put in Nigeria. Put in your address here. City. Okay. Put in your phone number. Then you want to click next. Your sign up is successful and it has been verified. So all you need to do now is go ahead and upload your pictures. You can click here to start uploading your pictures. You can click here to go to your dashboard and see how your dashboard is. You need to upload pictures that are very high in quality, okay, and pictures that are not less than 4 megapixels. They must be JPEG. If you upload anything like PNG, it's not going to take it. So you upload JPEG, and after you have uploaded your pictures, it will be reviewed. If the picture is good to go, then they will allow it on their website, and afterwards you can start to get your payment by people downloading your pictures. Okay, so go ahead and upload your pictures. There's another website you can upload pictures and also get paid. Just go to iStockphoto.com. Okay, so the same procedure. You come here, you click on join, you sign up, they send you a mail and you verify your email, and after verification upload your images, your paintings, then you start to get paid. Okay, I want you to go ahead and sign up and start uploading your images, your painting, and get paid. Thank you very much for watching my videos. Also, I would like you to put under the description videos that you would like me to make, okay, for you, and I will surely do that. I hope to see you in my next video. Okay, God bless you.